Today's question is, what's the difference between a meteoroid, meteor, and meteorite? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen a bright streak of light zoom across it? Many people call it a shooting star. But what you're really seeing is a space rock burning up in our atmosphere. But wait, was it a meteoroid, a meteor, or a meteorite? These three terms may sound similar, but they actually refer to very different stages of a space rock's journey. In this lesson, we will explore the differences between meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites, and discover where they come from, what they're made of, and how they affect our planet. Get ready to travel from deep space to Earth's surface as we uncover the science behind these fascinating cosmic visitors. Meteoroids are space debris that are usually rocky or metallic in nature and orbit the Sun within our solar system. These objects are often broken pieces of comets or asteroids. When a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up due to friction with the air, it becomes a meteor. This creates a bright streak of light in the sky, which is why meteors are often called shooting stars or falling stars. If a meteor is especially bright, it is called a fireball. And if it explodes in the atmosphere, it is known as a bolide. In most cases, meteoroids burn up completely in the atmosphere. But if the meteoroid is large and strong enough to survive the journey and land on Earth's surface, it is called a meteorite. Studying meteorites helps scientists learn more about the materials that formed our solar system over 4.6 billion years ago. Where do meteoroids come from? Most meteoroids originate from asteroid collisions in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Some are fragments shed by comets as they orbit the Sun. These bits of rock and metal become meteors when they enter our atmosphere. How fast do meteors travel? Meteoroids can move extremely fast, from 11 to 72 kilometers per second, when they enter Earth's atmosphere. That's why they light up quickly and burn out in seconds. What happens during a meteor shower? Meteor showers happen when Earth passes through the dusty trail left by a comet. These events light up the sky with many meteors and usually occur around the same time each year. Well-known meteor showers include Perseids in August and Leonids in November. Watching these showers is a great way to experience space activity from Earth. Now let's talk about our atmosphere, Earth's natural shield. Earth's atmosphere acts as a protective shield. Most meteoroids, especially small ones, burn up before hitting the ground. That's why we see lots of meteors but only a few meteorites. Here are the famous impact sites on Earth. Some large meteorites have left visible impact craters on Earth. A well-known example is the Barringer crater in Arizona, which was formed around 50,000 years ago. These craters help scientists understand the power of cosmic impacts. Composition of meteoroids and meteorites. What are they made of? Meteoroids are generally made of nickel and iron, but some also contain minerals similar to those in Earth's crust. When they land as meteorites, scientists group them into three main types. First, the iron meteorites. Mostly iron and nickel, very dense and metallic. Stony meteorites. Made of rocky material. These are the most common. Stony iron meteorites. A rare mix of metal and rock, showing both textures. These space rocks act as time capsules from the early solar system, helping us understand how planets, including Earth, may have formed. How do scientists study meteors? Scientists use radar, telescopes, and special cameras to track meteors. When a meteorite is found, it's carefully examined in a lab to understand its age, composition, and origin. This helps us learn more about the history of the solar system and even clues about how life began on Earth. Can meteors be dangerous? While most meteors are harmless and burn up in the atmosphere, large meteorites can cause damage if they hit the ground. For example, in 2013, a meteor exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia. The shockwave shattered windows and injured over 1,000 people. Events like this are rare, but they remind us of the power of objects from space. Now you know the difference between meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites. These space rocks may be small, but they have a big story to tell. Keep looking up. You never know when you'll spot one lighting up the sky.